Welcome to JH. TBR Powerup system sounds like yet another life-changing online business opportunity, doesn't it? They claim to help people earn money through digital marketing tools and ad credits, but we've all heard that tune before. Before you start dreaming of early retirement, let's break this platform down step by step to see if it's actually legit. Make sure you watch until the end, unless you enjoy throwing your money into a digital black hole. The first major red flag is the total lack of transparency. TBR Powerup system is playing a very dedicated game of hide-and-seek regarding who actually owns or runs the place. Their website was privately registered in July 2025, which means the owners are hiding behind a curtain of anonymity. Because nothing says trustworthy financial partner like a leadership team that behaves like they're in witness protection. Real companies generally like to brag about their leadership, but here, the silence is deafening. The second concern is the suspicious connection to previous scams. Their marketing videos are hosted on a YouTube channel called Divine Power Bill Relief, a name already infamous for a collapsed MLM pyramid scheme. Because why bother coming up with a new scam when you can just recycle the old one? Digging deeper reveals that the same people behind that disaster, Dominique Barbie and Kimberly Crawford, are the ones pulling the strings here too. It's the same old story, just with a shiny new name to trick a fresh batch of victims. Dominique Barbie has a track record longer than a CVS receipt, featuring failed projects like Miracle System and the Bill Relief Prosperity Magnet System. Each one promised financial freedom and ended in a total collapse, leaving everyone but the founders broke. It's almost impressive how many times they can rebrand the same failure. The fourth issue is the complete lack of real products. There is literally nothing to sell here. Members only make money by recruiting others into the fold. That is the textbook definition of a pyramid scheme, just without the cool Egyptian architecture. Finally, let's look at the predatory payment model. Promoters are expected to pay $50 every month, with upsells reaching as high as $1,000. You only earn a dime when you convince new people to pay those same ridiculous fees. Once the recruitment well runs dry, and it always does, the money stops instantly. Like every other pyramid scheme, most members will lose their shirts while the admins and early birds walk away with the loot. So is TBR Powerup system legit? Honestly, not in a million years. All signs point to this being another rebranded trap by Dominique Barbie and Kimberly Crawford. With hidden owners, no actual products, and an income model based entirely on recruitment, it's built to benefit the few at the top while everyone else loses out. Stay alert, stay smart, and don't fall for these fancy online fairy tales. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that tell it like it is.